There's a lot of emotion involved in baking. I feel like cooking for somebody is like the greatest way to show like love and care. When I started here, I was very, very firm in that I wanted all of our stuff to be made from scratch. And I'm fortunate that my team also has a big passion for baking. The things we do that have a pretty high degree of technical difficulty, like macaroons, it's stuff that a lot of times is much easier to just bring that product in. But to me, that's just blasphemy. There's a lot of movement involved in each day. It's definitely, I'm not good at sitting down at a desk and just doing work. So this is a very good profession for me to be in. We do a very wide range. For the dining halls, which is what we're doing our biggest bulk production for, we do a lot more of those comfort foods like brownies, cookies. For our catering department, our cafes, that's what we do a little bit more of that fine dining stuff. We can afford to do little verrines, we can do macaroons, we can do tartlets. Our team is not big. Like, most of them are here today. So when I look at everything we produce versus the amount of staff members we have, I'm like, you guys are freaking awesome, like every single day. In restaurants, you might reach like 300, 400 diners a night, but here, all the locations around campus, all the meal periods, we're reaching like tens of thousands of people a day. And especially to know that these brilliant students that are gonna be like leaders and innovators of the world, it's cool to know that like we have a part in their education in that way.